Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Zulufulltimema, or you can call me MaMngoma. Sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela kuleli khasi lami lokufunda isiZulu. Ungangibiza ngoMaMngoma noma Zulufulltimema. Namhlanje siyaqhubeka siyafunda. So today I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself, and that is ukuzethula. So ukuzethula, I'm going to introduce myself. Igama lami ngu Nomvelo. My name is Nomvelo. Isibongo sami uShezi. My surname is Shezi. Nginabantwana abathathu. I have 3 children. Ngingowase South Africa. I am from South Africa. Ngithanda umndeni wami. I love my family. Nisale kahle. Bye. I'm gonna be keeping all my videos simple and short, just so that you get to understand and learn bit by bit. So like in this video, I have South Africa. I've just put it as South Africa. I didn't put it in isiZulu. So on my next videos, maybe like later on, I will try and explain how we say South Africa in isiZulu. Then I'll keep on going deeper into isiZulu, but for now I'll just keep it nice and simple. And by the way, that is me on that photo. I am Nomvelo MaMngoma Shezi, and I am Zulufulltimema. Nisale kahle, siyabonga.